I left my faith in everything. I could believe in anything until I put my faith in you. Is it a sin? Is it a crime to worship somebody all the time, anytime? And we wait for you. I found my heaven right here with you. Believe in me forever, and I believe in you. Not just on Sunday, I love you every day, and I fall to my knee. Every night I praise and you come and save me. All eternity, the sun of my religion. I was looking for a miracle, thinking that love was possible, but love has made me whole. And I pray that this will never end. You are my lover, my best friend. You took me in and saved my soul. I found my heaven right here with you. Believe in me forever, and I believe in you, not me, not just on Sunday. I love you every day, and I fall to my knees. Every night I praise in you, come and save me for all eternity. In the name of the Father and the Son, you are my religion. No, just on Sunday, I love you every day, and I fall to my knees every night, and I praise you. Come and save me for all eternity. Forgive me the thing I have done. In the name of the Father and the Son, are my religion. Đúng đam mê.